I am back with these delicious dinner rolls, and you're going to get them right this time. So in one bowl, we have 3 cups of bread flour. In 3 individual bowls, we have a half cup of bread flour. So we're going to add the 3 cups of bread flour, some salt, and some sugar. We're going to let that mix and add some active yeast and some milk at 110 degrees. We're going to mix that well, add a room temperature egg, and soften butter. The flour was sticking to the side, so we added a half cup of flour. We let that mix and added another half cup of flour. You see that dough sticking to the side of the bowl? We added a half cup of flour, and y'all see that dough bouncing around that bowl? That's what we want. To a greased bowl, we're going to add our dough, cover it, and put it in a coolish, dark place. Let it rise for an hour. Do a soft punch. On a flour surface, we're going to let the dough release from the bowl. We're going to knead this a couple times, and then we're going to cut it in half, and each half we're cutting into 6 pieces. We're going to form this into a ball. With our thumb, we're going to pull over the bottom pieces, add this to a greased baking dish, cover and let it rise for 30 minutes. Then we're going to bake these in the oven on 375 for 12 minutes uncovered, 5 covered. Then we're going to add some butter on top, and you got